Today we're gonna make an instant latte. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know I like coffee, and I even like coffee that tastes, ooh, decadent. So I picked up this. It's by Avalanche, and as you can see here, it's got a guy being shot out of a cannon. I'm not sure what that represents, but I'm almost positive the founder of this company was a human cannonball, and that's how he rose to his fame. And then he was like, how can I parlay this fame into recurring income? And he's like, you know what? Instant coffee. You know, that's the thought process I went through as well. I am absolutely positively sure that is the history of the company. It is a box of instant coffee. They actually do make a variety of flavors here. I think there was a mochaccino and stuff like that. I was kind of interested in that, but I picked up hazelnut latte. And you know what latte is? It's a latte milk in there. Cup of culture at home, and as you might be able to see here, they have gone ahead and blended hazelnut with that latte. I don't mind the hazelnut thing. Now, I will say I have heated up some water. I have my coffee cup right here, and I have removed one of these packets. So the packet is actually huge. It's one of the largest instant coffee packages. I'm kind of used to like the smaller ones that look like, you know, prepackaged creamer or something like that. And I'm just going to tear it open here and pour it in to my coupe. And I also want to mention here that this package only makes 150 milliliters of latte. All right, so I have poured the powder in there. Kind of looks like wheat flour to me. And the funny thing is, on the instructions, it says to add 150 milliliters of hot water, not boiling, and then stir well. Now, 150 milliliters is not a lot, so I am actually going to go ahead and put what I think is about 150 milliliters. That's only like 2/3 of a cup. And then go ahead and stir that up. Now, maybe lattes are supposed to be a delicious dessert type of drink that maybe you're supposed to be judicious with or something. So maybe they're supposed to be this small. Like I said, it doesn't make a ton. I can't even get you in there to see it. But I kind of have about the cup this full right there. It does smell pretty good. Definitely has like a hazelnut smell. It definitely smells very creamy. And I guess that's the thing, latte is supposed to have like that milk in there. But I will say it's just funny to me because if you go to a McCafe or some other coffee shop and order a large latte, I mean, they put it in like the gallon jug for you, but hot. I tell you what, I'm glad I didn't add too much water because it's like really rich and creamy, and even a little hot and foamy on the top, kind of like your shaving cream. That's good. I tell you what, I mean, for me, I just pound this back, but that's delicious, dude. If you like the more artisanal coffees and you want to make something at home really quickly by just heating up water, dude, check out the Avalanche Hazelnut Latte. A delicious, creamy, milky drink with froth on the top. It's pretty amazing. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out! Mmm. 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 Mmm, 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 mmm. Ah.